Hi there YouTube, just a quick video, bit different from the kind of videos I do normally. These have arrived in the mail this morning. I wanted a pair of speakers to go with my blue and white G3, and I had a quick look on eBay and couldn't really see anything until these popped up. Now these are hideous, terrible quality speakers, but they're in translucent blue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them to pieces and clean them, and they're going to be used with my blue and white G3. So if you see here, it's a bit manky, needs a good clean, and same with that one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them to pieces and just give them a really thorough wash, and hopefully they will look nice and shiny. I very much doubt there's anything I can do about the sound quality that comes out of these. There's a lot of high end, but there's not very much bass. I don't really care, to be honest, because they're only going to be plugged into my G3, which I use on occasion. And it will only play system beeps, and it's not like I'm going to be playing albums of music through perhaps a few games, but they'll be better than the built-in internal speaker, which is mono on the G3. So I'm going to put the phone down and I'm going to mount it so I can record me taking it to pieces, or taking them to pieces. Then I'll give them a quick wash and then we'll put them back together and see what they look like.
A little longer than a few minutes later. Voiceover Rich from the future here. I was struggling to remove the PCB from inside the speaker. There's a volume control that I was trying to remove, so I would then be able to pull the PCB out, but I was struggling. So I decided to stop filming and take it into the shed.
Hello, welcome back to the shed. Why have I come to the shed? Well, it turns out that in unscrewing the speakers, I can't actually get the cable out because it's soldered onto the actual speaker. And obviously I don't want to submerge this because I don't want it to get wet and damaged. So that I need to unsolder. I've also had to come into the shed to find a socket, because on the front of this speaker there is a dial. So basically there's a little potentiometer that was screwed in, well, held in with a washer, not a washer, a thing, one of them things, can't think of the word. So, managed to get the electrics out. There's a weird transformery thing at the back here as well. That goes from 240 down to 9 volts. But I need to then desolder everything off this board so I can pull the cables out. So that's why I'm in the shed, because I want to desperately clean all of this, and I don't want to do it with any of the electrical components installed. So I'm going to do some desoldering. First of all, I need to take some pictures, because I need to make sure that when I come to solder it all back up again, everything goes in the right place. Clean your lens for clearer pictures. Okay. Okay, so let's go and give these a thorough cleaning. Now they're scratched. There's some dents and scratches and stuff in, but they're blue and they'll match the G3, which is blue. I just want to get rid of this filth because they're rather dirty. So I'll be back once I clean them and we'll resolder stuff in here and we'll give them a test. Thanks for watching. Hello, back in the shed. These have come up really well, they're nice and clean now. So it's time to put them back together again. I'm going to do the easy one first. Moment of truth. Well, they didn't get bang. Now the left speaker didn't work to start off with. So now it's gone off now. And it's back. So I think that this might just need a bit of a clean, the potentiometer or whatever you want, the volume control, the potentiometer behind the volume control. But they are nice and clean now. I don't mind touching them. They'll go nicely with my blue and white G3. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.